Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make glassmorphism in Figma. First, let's start by creating a basic shape, like a rectangle with slightly rounded corners. Give it a fill color of white, setting its opacity to around 15%. Then, add a subtle 1-pixel white stroke with an opacity of about 20% to define its edges. This forms the foundational layer for our stunning glass effect, making it ready for the next steps. Next, we'll add the crucial background blur effect. With your shape selected, navigate to the Effects panel on the right-hand side. Click the plus icon and choose Background Blur from the drop-down menu. Set the blur value to somewhere between 20 and 35 pixels. This creates that signature frosted glass appearance, allowing the background to subtly show through your element. To enhance the three-dimensional feel, let's add an inner shadow. In the Effects panel, add another effect and select Inner Shadow. Use a light gray or white color, setting its opacity to about 10% with a small blur and offset. For a touch of realism, add a subtle white highlight on one of the top edges, giving the illusion of light reflection. Finally, place your newly created glassmorphic element over a colorful or visually interesting background. Experiment with the transparency of your fill and the intensity of the background blur until you achieve the perfect frosted effect. Always ensure that any text or icons placed on top of your glass element remain clearly legible and accessible for all users. This completes your glassmorphism design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.